Hello people, as you can see on my table, I have this croaker fish, and with the croaker fish, I'm going to prepare something delicious. Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Today I bring to you this special grilled fish. You can see my fish, I've already scaled it, washed it, and I use lime to wash because I don't want to have that fish smell in my grilled fish. And I have my dry ingredients. I have my paprika, smoked paprika. I have my thyme and rosemary. I have my seasoning cube, my curry, and then my all-purpose seasoning. I have my vegetable oil. Then I have my green pepper, red pepper, onions. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, and other ingredients. So guys, let's do this together. So guys, before we start, I have to dry the fish with my paper towel because I don't need too much water in the fish. So when this is done, I'll now use my dry seasonings on it. This is done now. These are the dry seasonings. Mix everything together. Add some salt. Then I used to rub this very well. Flip it over to the other side. Open it. Throw some in there. Then allow it to marinate for some time. While this is done, I'll now blend my pepper and onions. So this is the green pepper, red pepper, onions, spring onions, ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not going to be adding water. Instead, I'll be using vegetable oil so that the blade of the blender can spin well. So sorry guys, I forgot to make an incision on the fish. If not, the seasonings would enter very well. But thank God I still have some seasonings there. So I'll just put the seasoning inside for great taste. So I'll open the incisions and add the dry ingredients. Yeah, thank God I remembered this. So now this done, I'll get my tray and put the wet ingredients. Because I don't want the fish to stick to the foil paper, I'll add some of the wet ingredients here as a base. Then carry the fish and put like this. Then use the wet ingredients to bait the fish very well so that all these ingredients will enter into it, as in enter. When I mean enter, I mean enter. So everywhere I can perceive the aroma of this fish without entering the oven. Open the side cut and stuffing everything in it. This should take like 20 minutes to grill, depends on your oven. So this is done now. I'll just wrap with the foil paper and then put in the oven. My oven is set on low, medium and then high, so I'm going to be using the medium button. So when this is done, you just wrap like this, leave on the tray like this, and then into the oven. Guys, the fish is entering into the oven and this will be here for like 20 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes and our grilled fish is ready. I can know it's ready because of the aroma that I'm receiving. Whoa. Guys, the grilled fish is ready and this is the unveiling. So this is what we have here. Oh boy, the aroma here is something else. Ooh, see, yummy, 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 yummy. So guys, we are done here with the grilled fish. You can see some of the ways you can take your grilled fish. You can use your plantain, fried plantain and chips with vegetables to eat it. So guys, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please do keep liking and keep sharing. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.